Alright guys, what we're going to do here, we're going to put password to some of our usual program or usual file that we usually send to our loved ones, to our friend, to our client, to our customers, right? Any kind of pertinent, pertinent information that's uses like PDF, Word, Excel, okay? And you don't need to use other special applications. For instance, with the PDF, you need an Adobe. Well, Adobe has a protection also. You can put a password in, but you need a full version of, or you need the pro version of the Adobe Acrobat. And here you don't need to do that. Okay, what we're going to use is a free application, and the name of the application is LibreOffice. Let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, and I'm going to go to LibreOffice. Okay. As you can see, I've already done several files here. Now I didn't click on the usually the writer, the calc, the impress, the drawing or the draw, the math formula. I go straight to the main dashboard of the LibreOffice. Then I'm going to open File. Okay. Now I have application or file here that is a sample file. Now we're going to open the PDF file. Okay. Now as you can see, it opened my sample file. So here, usually with Adobe, you just have to click on Tools and then go to Protection or Protect to enable it or to add it to the tools, and then you have to put a password in by clicking on Protect with Password. But here, you don't have to do that. What you're going to do, you have to click on File and then go to Export As and then click on Export as PDF. Okay, you don't have to mess, you don't have to touch anything on here. Just go to Security and then click on Set Password. Then I'm going to put a password here, a simple one. Okay. But if you have a password generator, you can also do that also. Okay. You can put the password generated by your password generator. I'm just going to click on OK and export. Now I'm going to rename this file to File 1, just for example. I'm going to close that out. I'm going to go to that folder. It's password protected, as you can see, but we're going to close that out, close it. We're not going to open it on Adobe Acrobat. I'm going to hover it, highlight it, and then drag it on the browser, and then it will going to prompt for the password. I'm going to put a password, enter. As you can see, it opens up the file. Okay, let's try the other file. Okay, I'm going to go to LibreOffice once again. Just going to cancel, close that out, exit that out, then click on File. And this time I'm going to go to Word or the doc. Okay. As you can see, here's my sample file. In LibreOffice, in putting password for docs and Excel, it's almost the same. And it's really the same. Okay, you just have to click on File and then Save As. And as you can see, there's an option here to enable these save with the password. Put a check on that. And then here you have to rename the file. I rename it to 2. Save it. And then I'm going to put a password here. Okay. Click on OK. Just click on Use Word. Right, and then close it out. Go to that folder. Check. Let's try. As you can see, it asks for the password. Going to key in the password. It opens. Okay. Same goes with the with the file format of Excel sheet. Let's go to LibreOffice once again. Alright, going to close those files. Okay, going to click on Open File, and then the sample spreadsheet. The sample spreadsheet is a bit different because here this is the one that I'm using on a part-time purpose. Okay, my part-time job. Okay, and I got this information from BBB. BBB is the Better Business Bureau. It's available for I guess for the US, for Canada, and Mexico. Okay, now as you can see here, as I told you earlier, it's really the same for how you put a password on MS Word or Word or doc file. Just have to click on File, then Save As. As you can see, the Save with Password is also an option. Have to put a password, put a check on that, and then you have to rename the file. I'm going to put it File 3. Okay, I'm going to put a password here. Okay, just use it and then close it out. You can see it's there. Let's try. So you can see it's protected. Okay, you have to put a password, key in the password. It's there. Alright, so if you want to put a password, just use the application LibreOffice, and you're ready to go. You have to then attach the file to your email, send it to your customer, to your client, your friend, your neighbor, or to have whoever that you want to send the file. It's password protected. Don't include the password to your email. What you can do is text the email or text the password using your phone, or call the client and then say the password. Okay, by using that option, only you and you and the client will only know the password. Okay, nobody knows. Only you and the client, or whoever is the one that you want to send the file and the password. Okay, never include the password to your email, because if the email got hacked or spammed, or probably they able to crack the password in that email, they can get the password of that file. Okay, that's a pertinent information. Then better not to include the password to your email. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day.